Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled amidst lush green fields, lived a hard-working rabbit named Rabi. He kept grumbling, "Why is it that I always get the toughest jobs? Look at what the previous mason did, oh my God! He completely scammed the house owner. Look at this mortar on the bricks, this is how problems arise. Now I'll have to do everything from scratch, but I must do my work properly. I need to make sure to get good money from the house owner because I am a hero. I'll go to America, America." He was talking to himself. Rabi stood with wide eyes as the landlord handed him a sack filled with gold coins. His heart raced and his paws trembled with excitement. The cheers of the villagers faded into the background as he stared at the shimmering coins. His dream was within reach. With this money, he could finally go to America, where new opportunities awaited. A sense of pride and joy filled him as he imagined the bright lights of the city and the life he had always dreamed of. This was his moment, and he couldn't wait to take the first step into a new world.
One day, as Rabi drove through the dazzling streets of Hollywood, fate took a turn. A movie producer spotted him and exclaimed, "That rabbit has star power." And just like that, Rabi went from driving taxis to acting in blockbuster films. Rabi stood on the dazzling stage, flashing cameras all around as his fans cheered wildly. He couldn't believe it. The small-town dreamer was now a global sensation. Oh, you should have seen him. Rabi, the rabbit hero, saving the world on the big screen. Action scenes, dramatic dialogues, our Rabi nailed them all. Soon, he wasn't just a star, he was a legend. But through all the fame and fortune, Rabi never forgot his roots. Sitting in his luxurious Hollywood mansion, he often thought about the little village where it all began, the bricks he laid, the dreams he built.